Our primary health center is carrying out a drive because of the rising cases of dengue which have been surfacing in our constituency. Dengue comes through the mosquito, and because of this we have to take care की आमचे सराउंडिंग साफ दवरपाचे. We need to see that कित्याक तुमी चड पाटी चोयतात की मोठे मोठे किमसां पासून आसतात आनी आम साप तरी मागीर आम चोयतात ते आहात म्हणून हिंगा. बट आमी आमचे सराउंडिंग साफ दवरल्या, स्पेशली टायर्सां उदक बोत्ता, खूंय उदक बोत्ता तेन्ना समटायम्स दे ब्रीड देर इन द वॉटर and the larva afterwards we get new fresh mosquitoes and they breed at very high rate, and if I am not mistaken a mosquito can travel up to 6 kilometers at a stretch, and therefore it is very dangerous to have these kind of mosquitoes. So my request to everyone, keep your surroundings clean, check all your बेश्टे थोडे पाटी उदक बोत्तात आनी दोत्तात थिंगा आनी तें केन्ना if it doesn't shake, that water alna जाल्यार, if it remains stagnant, then we will have this kind of breeding which takes place. So my request to everyone, check your surroundings, clean it, and it will save. First person who will be attacked will be you. तुका जातले पयले. Forget neighbor getting attacked, you will get attacked. So therefore my request is, please ensure that you follow all the guidelines. तुमकां fogging जाय जाल्यार पासून they will do fogging, which I have also done some places where we have come to know that it's needed. So fogging केल्या पासून तेंय जाता. But I suggest even if you go with one stick and just move around, you will come to know that मातशें आलोयल जाल्यार तें, even the grass and all, you can make sure that you chase away these mosquitoes, and especially in water. आमी हांडी दोतात, थोडे पाटी दोबे दोतात, नाल्यार टायर दोतात भायर. सो हिंग सगळें उदक बोत्ता आनी आमी मागीर केन्ना चॅक करूंक वचनात, पावस पडटा देखून ते सायडीन पासून वचनात. सो इट इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, कित्याक आमकां जालें जाल्यार मागीर नेबरहूड जाता आनी सगळ्यांक जातलें मागीर. And then there are cases लोक मेला पासून dengue जायन. So that is why we don't want anyone to die, we don't want anyone to suffer, and we will keep ourselves clean and we will keep our constituency green and healthy.
We have some cases now because of the transmission season, because the rains which are going to continue for another 2-3 months. So in these 3-4 months at least, very important that we are, of course, as the health department, our staff is moving around in the field and educating people, checking for breeding. But each house can also do this, which will be more effective, because our staff can't be reaching each house in 1 week. It's not possible. So what I request you all is to kindly keep your surroundings clean and see that no water stagnates for more than a week anyway around your houses or inside your houses.